from the shaitan, the Satan, the devil. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful benefactor, the most merciful redeemer. All praise is due to Allah, the guardian, the evolver, the cherisher, and the sustainer of all of the worlds. I bear witness there's none deserving the rights of worship except thee, Allah, subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Most High, and I bear witness to all of those raised before Adam and those raised from Adam until this hour. We do greet you, dear beloved brothers and sisters, with the greeting words of peace written in El Quran in the Arabic language. We greet you, Assalamu alaikum. All praise to Allah, Hotep, and Shalom to those in the Hebrew. Dear beloved brothers and sisters, we are in the legacy of the most honorable Dr. Khalid Abdul Muhammad. So give him a round of applause for setting the legacy. Black power! Black power! We have raised a strong black military to actually black that call for black power, for black revolution, and for reparations. But we want to tell you this afternoon that there is no solution without black revolution. Can we say together? There's no solution without black revolution. Black power? Black power. Black power. Now, in the spirit of what has happened in America, we are Pan-Africanists, we are a paramilitary network, we are social, political, and we are strong legal arm through the Black Lawyers for Justice, and give the chairman emeritus, Malik Zulu Shabazz, a round of applause for bringing Black power. Black power. Dr. King will take you to the door, by the door of justice, and Malcolm's human rights will bring you up towards the steps of justice. But if you ever plan to open that door that leads down a street, an avenue, or a road to the super highway of justice, where Dr. King is talking about the justice that rains down like the waters, the righteous rise up and walk like a mighty stream, then you'll need what? Black power? Black power? Black power to open that door. Now, in the spirit of reparations, it has been raised, the idealism and the cliches from the Constitution, other things that have been raised in the idea of reparation. But we know we need land, brothers and sisters, and claim of land, as in the third part of our platform. We know that reparations is due and land is due. Some command of state, the Mormons just took him, roughed off the state of Utah and kept it moving. The Mormons kept their thing moving up on high, you out of Georgia Avenue. You talk about your monument, your White House, and your Supreme Court Justice, and Library of Congress, and you can't overshadow this. And what's that? The Masonic Temple, George Washington's Masonic Temple at Alexandria. Well, I'm gonna tell you, the Mormon Temple is looking down on all of this and say, "What a fool! What a fool!" What is his name? Rick Romney went in, a Mormon from Montana, Utah, and all that. Went in a Catholic state of Massachusetts, right? And became the governor. So it's up ye a mighty nation, whatever you can accomplish, whatever you will. And I'm here to tell you that reparations are due. And we're saying reparations now. Can we say together? Reparations now. What do you want? Reparations. When do you want it? Now. And tell me how you're going to get it. What do you want? And when you want it. And tell me how we're going to get it. You just stated the position of the New Black Panther Party for self-defense, that we will get it by any means necessary. Now, for this Mitch McConnell, the senator, we are a Kentucky bluegrass smoking, tobacco chewing, you know, he's dipping snuff, chewing Dr. Pillsbury doughboy looking guy to put a voice out to say that we don't deserve reparations, we deserve Obama. Well, Obama spoke up for everybody except the black man, so we're not even going to count that comment. And we're going to show you, you don't have to guess who's coming to dinner. Black power? Black power. And New Black Panther Party for self-defense will be there at dinner time to check Mitch McConnell in the midst of his iniquity and prove that reparations are due. And I'm just here to tell you that from that same platform, we allow no one to create any form of a nuisance on or nearby our posts. The Black Panther will take charge of all Black Panther Party property. And you, brother, who do a Black Power? That's our starter right there. We're part of the alliance of legendary black leadership. Stand up, Brother Gerald, brother John, brother Malik Zulu. We are the alliance of legendary black leadership. And we've lied to Congress on numerous occasions, and that we're going to lobby for reparations until we gain the reparations. We will support our Cobra. We will support Dr. Leonard Jeffrey. We will support our legal arm, Dr. Amos, right there on the corner right there, and Dr. Professor Mustafa Ansari, and our beloved sister of Africa, because we are reparations, and we will fight for reparations, and we will fight, and we were willing to kill for that. You tell me, don't die for me, because you ain't worth a damn to me dead. I say you kill for reparations, and we get reparations, and we will die trying to get reparations, but we will be successful because the Almighty Divine say, when you ask not and have not, we ask for it. We have to claim. You claim reparations. Black power. That's how we get it. Black power. Black power. And a strong black military. The black to call for reparation this hour. Assalamu alaikum. And black power. See you at 617, 617 C Street Northeast. Be there, be square, and check Mr. McConnell in the midst of his iniquity. Assalamu alaikum. And black power. Black power. Black power. Black power.